Buying a car is a big decision.
It's a major purchase
that will affect you for years to come. That's why it's important to do your research and make sure you're getting the best deal possible. In this video, I'm going to share some tips for buying a car. I'll cover everything from setting a budget to negotiating the price, and everything in between. Tip 1. Set a budget. The first step is to set a budget. This will help you narrow down your choices and avoid overspending. Be sure to factor in the cost of insurance, registration, gas, and maintenance when setting your budget. Tip 2. Do your research. Once you have a budget, it's time to start doing your research. This means learning about different makes and models of cars, and what to look for in a new car. You can find this information online, in car magazines, and from consumer reports organizations. Tip 3. Consider your needs and wants. What features are important to you in a car? Do you need a lot of cargo space? Do you want a fuel-efficient car? Do you need a car that can seat a lot of people? Once you know what you need and want in a car, you can start to narrow down your choices. Tip 4. Get pre-approved for a loan. If you need to finance your car purchase, it's a good idea to get pre-approved for a loan before you start shopping. This will give you an idea of how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. It will also make the buying process go more smoothly. Tip 5. Shop around. Once you have a budget and pre-approval, it's time to start shopping around. Be sure to compare prices from different dealerships and private sellers. You should also get a vehicle history report on any car you're interested in. This report will tell you if the car has been in any accidents or has any other problems. Tip 6. Test drive the car. Once you've found a car you're interested in, it's important to test drive it before you buy it. This will give you a chance to see how the car handles and make sure it's comfortable for you to drive. Be sure to test drive the car on a variety of road surfaces, including highways and city streets. Tip 7. Inspect the car before you buy a car. It's important to have it inspected by a mechanic. This will help you identify any potential problems with the car and get an estimate for any repairs that need to be done. Tip 8. Negotiate the price. Once you've found a car you want to buy, it's time to negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to haggle with the seller. You may be able to get a better price if you're willing to walk away from the deal. Tip 9. Get everything in writing. Once you've agreed on a price, it's important to get everything in writing. This includes the purchase price, the terms of the sale, and any warranties that are being offered. Bonus tips. Be wary of cars that are priced too low. There's usually a reason why a car is being sold for so cheap. Don't buy a car on the spot. Always take some time to think about your decision before you sign any paperwork. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're not sure about something, ask a friend, family member, or mechanic for help. Conclusion. Buying a car can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By following these tips, you can make the process easier and less stressful. And most importantly, you'll be more likely to get a great deal on the car of your dreams. Additional tips. Consider buying a used car. Used cars are often much cheaper than new cars, and they can be just as reliable. Look for cars that are fuel efficient. This will save you money on gas in the long run. Make sure the car has the safety features you need. For example, if you have a family, you'll want a car with airbags and anti-lock brakes. Don't forget to factor in the cost of insurance and maintenance. Some cars are more expensive to insure and maintain than others. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about buying a car, please leave them in the comments below.